Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful day with your blinks. How you all doing? Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. I appreciate you all. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. Today I'm going to be making pepper chicken. And if you want to know how I made this yummy pepper chicken, come with me to the kitchen. This is my pepper chicken. The pepper chicken, because I used the hard chicken, I had to boil it a little. If you are using the breast chicken, you might not boil it, you just cut it into little pieces. So I have it boiled already because it's a hard chicken, and I'm going to roughly blend my red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and onion. Let's get started, guys. My oil on the saucepan, just a little quantity. So just add in my chicken. Now I'm going to be adding my sauce. That everything has been well combined, you see. So I'm going to garnish with some green. And leave for about 2 minutes to 5 minutes. We are good to go. That's my pepper chicken. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ho ho. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.